TMC is down 17.85%. 80 million shares have crossed the tape, more than double, almost more than double its 50-day average, and we still have up to more than 3 hours before the close of today's trading session. That is Monday, the 26th of January, 2026. Yeah, even with this 17.85% plunge, positions opened 10 days ago are still in profit, as indicated by this price pressure momentum uh, value here, which is indicating what do we have down here? 1.1 dollar. Just even though the stock is down, it's still indicating that it is gaining $1 every day. But of course, it doesn't absolutely. Yeah, it's just still indicating that in the midst of this decline, it's still gaining $1 every day. So at some point, they've actually met. The price and the moving average, they've converged. So lower prices are expected to continue to print up till the 18th of February. Okay, as I indicated earlier on, positions opened 10 days ago are still in profit. So the momentum is expected to continue to weaken up till the 6th of February. After that, we might see a bounce. Okay, there's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, so 9.10 is an upper projection we have. So we have been able to gather the data on this daily chart, and we, fed it to Claude, and this is what we have. Okay, so let's see what we have down here. The 10-day moving average still in a strong trend mode. Trend mode is from 0.25. Okay, 10-day moving average aggressively rising. Okay, even though the price is down, every other thing is every other moving average is trending. So the line trend is strongly bullish. Okay, so despite today's 17.64% drop, all PPMs remain in trend mode, suggesting this pullback is a shakeout within a larger bull trend, not a reversal. So we have a market grid. Market grid gives us a range of possible prices. Okay, so this is where it's right. It's somewhere around here. This is where it is right now. Okay, and these are the probabilities. Okay, 9.75 to 25% probability, and all of that. You can always pause and read. Yeah, and then we also have some data from its 4 hour chart. And then this is a short term trade setup. No guarantee that if you apply that you will succeed at all. So your primary entry zone will be slightly below where it is right now, 7.25 to 7.75. And then your target will be 7.6. No, this is not your target. These are still your entries, 7.6 to 7.8 as well. So okay, indeed, right around where it is right now, it's opening up a buying opportunity. So your targets will be 8.7, 9.13, and 9.75. Stop loss will be 7.05. Today's extreme volume, 17 million, suggests capitulation. Okay, price pressure momentum, PPM one. The first derivative at 1.35 indicates aggressive upside momentum bias despite a pullback. Okay, long-term setup. Okay, these are entry zones. Okay, so your long-term target will be 12.5 to $14, and then $18 to $22, and then $30 per plus generational wealth scenario with permits. Okay, key catalyst to monitor and national oceanic AA permit timeline clarity, government backing announcements, short-term interest data, short-term interest data, yeah, short interest data rather, critical minerals policy, risk factors, regulatory delays, 40% probability, continued manipulation slash volatility, sector rotation away from speculative plays. Okay, actionable recommendation for short-term traders. Wait for 4-hour confirmation above $8.03 before entry, targeting 8.79, 9.13. Current risk reward favors patience. For long-term investors, begin 20 to 30% accumulation between 7.2 to 7.8 with a scaling plan. The price pressure momentum indicator structure suggests a major trend remains intact despite today's violent shakeout. Okay, so yeah, that's what's going on now. The stock is down. It's actually contracting the expansion that has been in place since when was this? Yeah, since the beginning of this year. Yeah. On the 4-hour chart, what we have is more of the contraction. Then we have a consolidation with an upward bias from the end of this month, but it may well reverse. It may just well reverse by the end of today's trading session. So here we have 8.45 as an upper projection on the 4-hour chart. So momentum on this 4-hour chart is also expected to continue to weaken and then maybe pick up from tomorrow, Wednesday the 28th. Okay. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. And the stock is currently trending. We'll see how all of this will go. Thank you very much for watching this video. Oh, before we go, let's see what we have over here. Let's get more data. I think it's also optionable. Yeah, easy to borrow. Okay, I don't think anything's coming up. Might take a lot of it needs a lot of memory to load up. So yeah, not so volatile. But I'm sorry, I'm not that much of a high beta, but it is a high beta. Yeah, I mean, it still has more room to re-rate. Yeah, it still has more room to re-rate. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just let's see how it goes, and I think it may have opened up a buying opportunity given this decline that has printed now. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.